In this video, I will show you how to install WordPress on your domain. So once I have my domain registered, I log into my HOSTAFRICA account. I click on the hosting drop-down. Then I click on web hosting. I click on manage. I close this pop-up. Then I click on WordPress management. You click install. So the protocol I select is this one. It is recommended to use this one, but I've learned that this works well for me. You remove that so it installs it in the main directory. You change your name. Then you pick a username. You add your password. And I would recommend using your email address, like your Gmail. For example, if the site crashes or if HostAfrica crashes completely, you would like to be able to reset your password. And I think it's safer to just use a Gmail account to do that. You then scroll down and I untick all of these plugins because you want to start with a clean installation. Then you scroll down to advanced options. On automated backups, you say once a week or whatever works for you. This is how many it will store as backups. And then you click install. Now that WordPress has successfully been installed, you click on this link. Now you're on your basic blank WordPress page. There will be some basic posts, maybe some media, or nothing on this one. There's some pages. Normally I clean it out completely. If you'd like help launching your website, we run a small group where we help build your website over 5 evenings. There are limited spots available. You can find the details in the link in the description down below. If you've missed my previous video, go check it out.